LCM model 9. Listen carefully. First we will read the question. What is the least number? There is a number which is least, which is minimum, which when doubled into 2 will be exactly divisible by 12, 18, 21 and 30. The number which is divisible by 12, 18, 21, 30 is nothing but the LCM. We have converted the entire statement into an mathematical expression. Now see here. Listen carefully. 12, 18, 21, 30. 21 contains a prime factor 7. 21 contains a prime factor 7. 2 is not divisible by 7. So n minimum should be divisible by 7. N minimum should be divisible by 7. 2520 is divisible. 1260 is divisible. 7 3s are 21, 7 6s are 42. 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56. 7 90s are 630, 726. 7 is not working. Next one. These 18 contains another prime base 3. 9 I am not taking a digital sum because all the, 9 I can take. 18 digital sum is 9. If one number digital sum is 9, answer digital sum will also be 9. Answer digital sum will also be 9. So 196 is eliminated. 196 is eliminated. Now see here. 196 is eliminated. Next one, 3 is a prime base. 3 is a prime base. Now, what are all the other values that are present in this question? Now, this is one way. What we will do is, we will go, because it is a least number. It is a least number. Let me take the smallest number. Out of these 3, 630 into 2 is 1260. 1260. 12 divides 1260. 12 into 105. 18 please check it out. 18 is 9 into 2. Digital sum is 9. Number is ending with 0, that means it is divisible by 2. 12 over 18 over. 21 is 7 into 3. 7 we have already seen. 3 means sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 30 is 6 into 5 or 10 into 3. 10 means unit digit is 0. 3 means sum of the digits is 0. So which number should be doubled? Answer is 630. Answer is 630. Again I am explaining, please listen carefully. There is a least number n, which when doubled, I will get the number which is divisible by 12, 18, 21, 30. 12, 18, 21, 30. 18 digital sum is 9. Right hand side, if one number digital sum is 9, left hand side also it should have digital sum 9. 196 digital sum is not 9. Option D is eliminated. 630, 120, 2520. Because it is mentioned that it is the smallest number, take 630. 630 into 2 is 1260. 1260. 12 is nothing but 4 into 3. Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 3 anyway, sum of the digits is divisible by 3. 18 is 9 into 2. Unit digit is 0, therefore the number is even. 9 means sum of the digits. 21 is 7 into 3. 3 we have already seen. 7 18s are 126. 30 is 10 into 3. 10 means unit digit is 0. So answer for the first question is 630. 630. I hope it is clear. Other than doing the LCM, which we did it, I am just giving you a thought which is quite different from the traditional method. Right? Next one. Next, smallest square number. divisible by smallest square number divisible by 10, 16 and 24. Now see here, LCM of 10, 16 and 24. 10, 16 and 24. Now we have to go 10, 16 and 24. 24 is 8 into 3. So there is a prime factor 3 hidden here. If there is a prime factor 3 here, answer should also be divisible by 3. 16, sum of the digits is 7. 2500, sum of the digits is 7. Here one number is divisible by 3. So left hand side, this smallest square, it should also be divisible by 3. It should also be divisible by 3. So 2 are out. 900 is remaining and 3600 is remaining. Now see here, what is left in these? Let me take 900. 900 is 900 divisible by 10? Yes. Is 900 divisible by 16? 16, or otherwise what you can do is 24. 24 is 8 into 3. Answer should be divisible by 8. 900. 8 11s are 88. 20 not divisible. Answer is 3600. Answer is 3600. Getting more than the answer, I am interested in developing this approach to you. 24. 24 is 8 into 3. Left hand side should be divisible by 8 and 3. Left hand side should be divisible by 8 and 3. 3, 1600 is out. 2500 is out. 900 and 3600. 900 is not divisible by 8. I hope it is clear. Second question. Third one. If a students of a class can be grouped exactly into 6, there can be 6 students in a group. There can be 8 students in a group. There can be 10 students in a group. What is the minimum number of students in the class must be? Minimum number is nothing but a number which is a multiple of 6, 8 and 10. 6, 8 and 10. Multiple of 6, 8 and 10. 60 is not a multiple of 8. 120 is a multiple of 6, 8 and 10. So 180 is not a multiple of 8. 240 is a multiple, but the minimum number is 120. Minimum number is 120. You will learn a lot of concepts in today's class, sir. This is just the beginning. Right? So what am I doing is, the concept is divisibility based LCM problems. Divisibility based LCM problems. Please don't give answers. I am not interested in your answers. I am interested in making you listen to my class. Don't give the answers. Next, because there are a lot of concepts which I am going to explain by using a very different application altogether. ABC start running at the same time. ABC start running at the same time and at the same point and in the same direction in a circular track. In a circular track. A completes a round in 252 seconds. B completes the round in 308 seconds. C completes the round in 198 seconds. After what time will they meet again at the starting point? After what time will they meet again at the starting point? Meeting again at the starting point is nothing but the LCM of the time period taken by these three: TA, TB and TC. Each one of you is going. Suppose somebody is going at a 4 meter per second. Another is going at a 6 meter per second. If the distance is 12 meters, time taken by A will be 3 seconds. Time taken by B will be 2 seconds. When will they meet? When will 3 and 2 will meet? 3 and 2 will meet at a point known as 6, which is nothing but the starting point. So, the time taken to meet again at the starting point is nothing but LCM of TA, TB, TC. If 3 people are starting from the same point and in the same direction, time taken to meet again at the starting point, again in time, speed and distance, after linear track, circular track, I will discuss this point. Time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again at a starting point. At a starting point is nothing but LCM of TA, TB, TC. TA, TB, TC. LCM of 252 seconds, 308 seconds and 198 seconds. 198 seconds. All are in minutes. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. 26 into 60 plus 18. Second option, 42 minutes. 42 into 60 plus 36. Third one, 45 minutes. 45 into 60. Fourth one, 46 into 60 plus 12. Please don't find out these values of 252, 308, 198. 198. Right? Now see here. 252. 252. Digital sum is 9. Digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. Now if you see here, 4 plus 2, 46, 4 plus 6, 10, 1 6 are 6, 6 plus 3. I hope it is clear, right? So if you see here, 8 6 are 8 into 6, 48. 48 is 4 plus 8, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9. The digital sum should be 9. These over. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 9, 9. This can be the option. This can be the option. 4 6 are 10. 4 plus 6, 10. 1 6 are 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 options are possible. 308 is nothing but 11 2s are 11 20 is there. If one number is divisible by 11, another number should also be divisible by 11. If I take B option, 42 into 60 is 2520. 2556 it will become. C, 45 into 60 is 2700. D, 46 into 6, 2760 plus 12, 2772. 2772. It should be divisible by 11. Sum of the odd places. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. These also not divisible by 11. 2772 is the answer. 46 minutes and 12 seconds is the answer. 46 minutes and 12 seconds is the answer. Harini says, why is the answer not 0? Why it will be 0, ma? When the time they are taking to complete a round is, each one is taking a different time. When you say answer is 0, you are saying that they will not take any time to reach at the starting point. Isn't it illogical? Isn't it illogical? 3 people, suppose You are starting from, if the college starts at 9:30, you started from home at 8:45. Somebody started at 9. Somebody started at 9:15. Can you say that the time taken to reach at the starting point will be same? Obviously, the length of the if the time is different, if distance is constant, I will explain that point. You are wrong. I will tell you why it is wrong. Right? See here. When I say time taken to meet again, there are two kinds of questions that are there. First is time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. For the first time on the track. For the first time on the track. This is one question. Another question is time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again for the first time. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. At the starting point. Starting point is always LCM of TA comma TB for a time taken. In case if you are so curious to find out why it is LCM, you can WhatsApp me 80500-67891. I can explain it to you why it cannot be 0. Logically also think it cannot be 0. Right? Next question. These are the two kinds of questions that can be asked. Next one. Next question. Now here onwards, beautiful questions will come, sir. This was our yesterday last question. Product of two numbers is 100. LCM is 25. Find the HCF. Yesterday I told a concept. Suppose if there is a number 6, another number is 9. HCF of these two numbers is 3. LCM of these two numbers is 18. 6 into 9 equivalent to 3 into 18. HCF is a factor of the number. A 3 will divide 6. 6 will divide 18. Number is a factor of LCM. That means HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF will always be factor of LCM. N1 into N2 equivalent to LCM into HCF. It does not matter which formula you are using. HCF is a factor of number. Number is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. Product of two natural numbers equivalent to LCM into HCF. This is used only when HCF is a factor of LCM. Product of two natural numbers. Remember this extremely important concept. N1 into N2 equivalent to LCM into H. This is only valid when HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. Now, see here. Then what is the answer for this question? This is 25. Some students who are very poor in mathematics might say the answer as 4. but 4 is not a factor of 25. 4 is not a factor of 25. Answer for this question is data inconsistent. There exists no two natural numbers which will satisfy this property. There exists no two natural numbers which will satisfy this example, in fact. Right? Now see, data inconsistency. Why it will be data inconsistent? Why it will be data inconsistent? There cannot be two natural numbers whose product is 100 and LCM 25. If I take 1 into 100, LCM cannot be 25. 2 into 50, LCM cannot be 25. 4 into 25, it cannot be 25. 5 into 20, it cannot be 25. 10 into 10, it cannot be 25. Mr. Bhupi Bagi Bhanu and Bharat, what you know concept is product of two natural numbers is LCM into HCF. That is not a complete concept. Complete concept is to satisfy that one, HCF should be a factor of LCM. Without reading first point, you are reading point number 2. If anybody has taught you this formula, product of two natural numbers is LCM into HCF, without telling that HCF should be a factor of LCM, they are cheating you in the name of teaching. They do not even know the basics of number system. Right? Product of HCF by default. HCF by default will be a factor of LCM. It goes without saying. It has to be a factor of LCM. Number is a factor of LCM. Why? Because HCF is a factor of number and number is a factor of LCM. So HCF is a factor of LCM. Rambabu? I hope it is clear. Please put a star mark on this question. Extremely important, which was our yesterday's last question. Next one. Next one. Please see this question. HCF and LCM of the two numbers. HCF should be a factor of LCM. HCF should be a factor of LCM. HCF we got is 75. HCF we got it as 75. LCM it is 864. First check whether 75 is a factor of 864. 864 is a multiple of 4. But in 75, though no multiple of 4 is there. 75 is not a factor of 864. So, this question, there is an inconsistent data that is given. That numerical values which are given without even thinking. So, answer again for this question is data inconsistent. Data inconsistent. People are so much interested in R.S. Agarwal book without even knowing the concept. 75 is not a factor of 864. You don't need to divide it. 864 is divisible by 864 is divisible by 4. 75. Right? 75 is not divisible by 4. Arun, wantedly I am skipping that question. Why? Because if I have to explain the question to you, I have to explain you a multiple approaches. There is a reason why even though I read the question, I am not going to explain it for you, because in a circular track, there are so many conditions that will come. There are, if in a circular track, two people are moving in the same direction, two people are moving in the opposite direction. If three are there, one is moving in this direction, two in opposite, two are moving in this direction, one in opposite. If I start this, you will ask a doubt this, you will ask a doubt this, you will ask a doubt this. So let us keep this in a circular track. When I am discussing in enrolled students, these videos are already there. Enrolled students will get close to 450 hours of videos. These are all, whatever I am teaching is an upgraded version, and the new questions developed during this COVID effect. I hope it is clear. I will not discuss that one. Next one.